Hi. So a very good student asked me this question that, sir, my VRC is very good. In fact, VRC is my strength. DILR is okay, but quant is really weak. Quant में बहुत कम नंबर आते हैं, तो VRC में मैं शायद 95 परसेंटाइल प्लस भी लेके आ जाता हूँ मॉक्स में. DILR में कोई 70-80 परसेंट हो जाता है, बट क्वांट तो कई दफ़ा मेरी 50 परसेंटाइल 40 परसेंटाइल तक पहुँच जाती है. क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do for quant? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you one game changer advice, because this was the same advice when I was an aspirant some 7 years back, and when I was struggling very badly with quant. Despite being an engineer, quant was my weakest section. This one advice somebody gave me and it completely changed my CAT prep. ये same advice मैंने बहुत videos में कही हुई है, but I thought that this is so important, this needs one video for itself. It's going to be a short video. I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, this advice is very simple. All you have to do, my dear friends, and please hear this out very carefully, do not take this lightly. This might be that advice which actually changes your CAT prep completely, because this is so focused, so essential in nature that you'd be like, okay, now I know what I have to do. The advice is one and only one thing. Please go ahead and solve all the previous year CAT questions, all the previous year CAT papers of QA. That is it. Now, the reason why I'm saying this and the reason why this sounds so simple but is so effective is one and only one thing. When you'll start solving these previous year papers, and I'll share with you that from where you can do it, how you can do it, what should be your approach, you'll realize that हर साल QA में एक ही किस्म के सवाल आ रहे हैं. The point which I'm trying to make is that in any CAT, in any year's CAT, ऐसा नहीं है कि QA में कुछ बिल्कुल ही नया किस्म का क्वेश्चन टाइप आ गया या कोई ऐसा किस्म का सवाल आ गया जो कि पहले किसी साल में नहीं आया हो. Which means what? Which means one very simple thing, that by the time you would have completed attempting these last 5 or 7 or 10 or even 20 years worth of CAT papers, what you will realize is that you would start to feel a great deal of confidence that, wait a minute, now I have covered all possible questions that can come in QA and I'm feeling confident because of that. आपका एक सवाल भी आएगा इस पे जरूर, बट सर अभी तो मैंने थ्योरी पढ़ना ही खत्म नहीं करा, मैं तो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाता ही नहीं हूँ. आप तो बोल रहे हो अटेम्प्ट करना शुरू कर दो, कैसे? मैं उस पर आऊंगा बाद में. अब पहला सवाल है कहाँ से करें ये. देखो, प्रीवियस ईयर कैट पेपर तुम्हें किसी भी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के वेबसाइट पे फ्री मिल जाएंगे. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज probably go to their website, create an absolutely free account on their website, and you can find them inside that. It is for any coaching institute ever, especially last 5 years 4 years के तो मिल जाएंगे ही. Your approach should be that you start from the latest first. So start with the CAT 2024 paper, then 23, then 22, पीछे पीछे जाओ. And तुम पीछे किसी भी हद तक जा सकते हो, जहाँ तक भी अवेलेबल है तुम्हारे पास, go back. उसमें ये नहीं है कि अरे बट 10 साल पहले तो ऐसे सवाल नहीं आते थे. नहीं, have the entire practice, because I'm telling you one thing, in QA it is not also so much about theory कि theory नहीं आती है. It's also a very confidence problem, because जिनको QA में problem होती है उनको actually math का phobia होता है, is what my assessment is, because I have been one of those, that when I realized that, wait a minute, in CAT it's not so much about math, but it's more about how do I read the question and can I make use of the options to get to the answer, especially in areas like algebra. Can I do that? So suddenly when you'll be doing this exercise, irrespective of which year you are seeing, but start from the latest one, you will feel immense confidence. Now the second question, or the second main point, which is going to be my last point in this, is going to be that, sir, but wait a minute, अभी तो कैट प्रेप के लिए शुरू करा है, अभी मॉक लिखे हैं 1-2, मगर सर थ्योरी नहीं पढ़ी, आपके लिए सॉल्व करो. मैं कहता हूँ कोई बात नहीं, थ्योरी साथ साथ करना. इनफैक्ट कैट की अप्रोच, क्वांट की अप्रोच तुम चेंज कर सकते हो थोड़ी सी. अगर कहीं एनरोल्ड हो, कहीं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ले रहे हो तो वेरी गुड, प्लीज कीप ऑन अटेंडिंग क्लासेस, इंपॉर्टेंट. बट सेल्फ प्रेप में क्या करोगे? सेल्फ प्रेप में ये करो, तुम बोलो कि ओके मैं क्वांट के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ही करूंगा सॉल्व. जो भी क्वेश्चन मुझसे सॉल्व हो गया वेरी गुड, नहीं हुआ मैं उसकी थ्योरी जाके पढ़ लूंगा. विच मीन्स मुझे पर सवाल करने में अगर 10 मिनट 15 मिनट भी जाया करने पड़े मैं कर दूंगा, बिकॉज अभी मैं प्रैक्टिस स्टेज पे ही हूँ. मगर वो 10-15 मिनट लगाने के बाद जब मैं वो एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लूंगा, एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत वो मेरे जहन में समा जाएगा, मुझे याद हो जाएगा, अच्छा हाँ यार ये क्वेश्चन में मैंने स्ट्रगल करा था, फिर फाइनली मैंने ऐसे सॉल्व करा था. सिंपल यही करना है. तो यू हैव टू फीड दोस क्वेश्चंस इन योर माइंड. बेसिकली दैट इज द एक्सरसाइज, दैट योर माइंड इज अ पैटर्न recognition machine in some way, and therefore you need to feed it with all sorts of possible questions in QA which have actually come in CAT, and they are the only kind of questions which come in CAT. But even for DILR, and if you want a separate video like this for DILR and for VRC, let me know in the comments, I'll make that as well. The point which I'm trying to make is that it's a very focused thing, it's a very focused, very essential sort of an advice this, but this is what truly helps because QA has a defined syllabus. This is not like a DILR जहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. Also, this is not like a VARC that कि भाई वो कहाँ से RC ली है, we don't know. It could be any kind of RC. QA is very well defined. Please approach it like any other well defined exams which you have solved. For example, when you used to study for your board exams, you always used to say कि हाँ यार previous year के क्या questions आते थे board में, I'll solve that. इसके लिए similar approach रखो quant के लिए. This is one game changer advice. I would want you to the video, subscribe to the channel. Why? Because there are more videos which are going to come like this. Also, do not forget to comment below this video that yes, I am starting to do this, I'm starting to follow this, because only once you commit it to yourself you will be able to solve it, and then come back to this video 1 week later and mention it that yes, I solved at least 1 or 2 previous year CAT questions. Please do that. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.